In part 2 of our first example, we have a situation where there are 3 enemies somewhat behind the player and just outside the player's field of view. Because of how far back the furthest enemy behind the player is, we want to prioritize the enemy sneaking up in our blind spot instead. And just as annotated, we're able to do just that. This is the reason why we need more than one driving factor, because if we only considered the position around the player, then that furthest enemy would get priority instead. Of course, if we reposition ourselves to face that threat in the blind spot, then the permitted NPCs would be updated accordingly. In our second example, we look at the hostile field of view contribution. Hopping into our scene, we can observe the FOV weight from the debug, and after disabling all but one of the enemies and looking at the Wwise meter, you'll notice a slight increase in the volume as we enter and exit the enemy's site.